Hey, this is Sean, and in today's video, I'm going to go through setting up your Facebook ad accounts. And if you've set these up before, then you could probably skip this video, but this is for people that are brand new, have never set up their ad accounts, and just a little way of setting things up to optimize and getting as many Facebook ad accounts right from the get-go. So what you want to do is go to business.facebook.com and go up and create account. And if you're not logged in, I'll ask you to log in. So let me log in here and create account, and it's going to ask you for a business name. If you have an existing business name that you want to use for this, that's fine. This is not something that they're going to check if you and confirm that you actually have a business name under that, so you can use whatever business name that's simple for you to remember. I like to just use my initials, put in media consulting, whatever you want to name it. Go on to part 2, and here is where you want to put, if you want to put your name, and then put in an email that that is separate from your Facebook business. I should say from your Facebook account. So when you get correspondence from Facebook about your ad accounts and your business manager, it'll go to a separate email. So what I usually do is just take whatever email that I normally use, add a number after it, and then just use that. And I use a lot of Gmail addresses to do that. So when you're done with that, go in and click Finish. Now I've already created a bunch of business managers and ad accounts. So let me go to the next page. What you'll see once you hit that Finish button here. Close that. Okay, and once you're done and you set up your first business manager account, now what you want to do is set up ad accounts under that business manager. So the business manager, the function is for you to be able to run as a business. A lot of ad agencies use this model. And what it is just a place to manage all ad accounts under one window, or one master manager that you can go through and kind of switch between different ad accounts. So on this initial screen, if you want, you can add a cover photo. You don't have to. It's not a big deal. But the main things that you want to focus here on are adding a page and adding an ad account. So we're going to start with adding an ad account. We'll get to the page a little bit later. So what you want to do is create ad account. And then here again, you can use whatever name you want to use. So I usually just do add one. And you can come in and you can edit this at any time. An important thing is you want to be able to set your correct time zone, and the reason being is when you set things up and you run your ads, it runs from 12 midnight your time, and it's not another time zone. So you want to make sure it matches up with your current time zone. I'm in California, so I'm going to click Los Angeles, and I'm in the US, so I use US dollars. And then we can put the payment method in a few minutes here. So you want to hit create ad account. Now when I do this, I've already maxed out my ad account, so I won't be able to create anything there. But let me go to the next screen here and what you'll see once you create an ad account. Okay, once you have things set up, you can go into your business settings. And the different business managers, and the Facebook does this for several reasons. They're always testing different things. So you may have something that looks slightly different if you're based in another country, or your Facebook account is a little bit newer or older. You may see tabs up here. But for mine, the tabs are all on the side here. And one of the things that I do want to show you here that's important is right up here. They call this a hamburger, the 3 lines. And this is where you're going to see all the different tabs. The main ones you're going to be working with is going to be your business settings when you set things up, your ads manager, and that's where you create your ads and look at your campaigns and everything like that. Another one will be your billing. Let's see, where is it here? I'll show you a different place for the billing. The billing is probably a little bit easier down here. But so let me go through these tabs here. Here's where you have the people that are on your ad account and that have access to it. Obviously this one is mine, so it's just me on there. And pages, we'll get to in a second, but pages, this is where we're going to create a Facebook fan page, and you need to have a Facebook fan page for yourself to advertise on. And this is going to have nothing to do with your personal Facebook account, and no one will see it, no one knows it's yours, but it is something that's required to actually run campaigns, and so I'll show that on a separate video. This is where you'll have your ad accounts here. And this one, as you can see, this one has already been disabled. But when you come into your business manager, go down to business info. This is going to be an important screen here. And this is where you'll see your ad account creation limit. And right now they have it so when you set up one business manager, you'll get limit of 1 ad account. So you want to go in and create it. And the reason they did this, they used to have, I think, 5 ad accounts right from the get-go, but a lot of people were creating a lot of fake ad accounts and those black hat users. And so Facebook did this for compliance reasons, but I'll show you how to get your additional ad accounts in just 1 second. But the next step you want to do is go in, once you set up your Facebook ad account, then you want to go into payments. And in payments, you can add your payments. And here, again, your country, your whatever dollar denomination you currently use. And then you want to go in here and add your credit card. And once you do that, you'll be all set. And you'll have your payment set up, you'll have your ad account set up, and then next we'll go into setting up your Facebook fan page. One additional note I did want to tell you about is when you do set up your Facebook account, each Facebook account comes with the capability of creating actually 2 different business managers. So once you set up business manager number 1, the way to get to set up the second one is you want to go to business.facebook.com/overview. And you'll get the same screen here, and you can create an additional business manager here. So you'll have 2 business managers with 1 ad account each, where you go in and add your credit card information, and we'll get ready to go onto the next part.